Well, like I thought, Saren disappearing. We seen how she is. She's straightforward, does what she wants because it's what she wants. She's not gonna stop singing and playing the guitar even if it ends her life. It's just not in her nature. And no amount of warnings or anything is gonna stop her. Especially, when they're talking about how perfect everything was when her and Nagi were singing together, but unless they find a way to heal her, that's just not. She'll probably get one last song and then disappear. Unless someone gives their EDM to her like Nagi did for our boy. That'd probably be the only way. Maybe that'll be Zeno. I don't know. But he's not like being used right now because the state he in. So everyone else doing the mission instead. They broke in because the security ain't good enough to stop this. And Nagi and you just came up with a new song that they're definitely gonna sing, but I feel like it's gonna be a tragic like ending to the song, like where Nagi gets taken or something happens to you or Sarah. But yeah, everyone's just trying to do their best, and Nagi now feeling that jealousy, even though she cares for more to just kill you for everyone. But yeah. And then both sides are revealing the truths. Well, the humans are learning the truth of what's actually going on. We find out that like 3 billion people have been wiped out. It used to be 7. Knock that down to 4. Just so the Xenos can save their people because they're going extinct because they relied on one person to keep their world going, and that ended up backfiring. It kind of makes me think of a World Trigger where they were kidnapping people in order to use them as energy sources. This is basically like that. But yeah, I can't wait to see what happens next. Good episode.